Hello. Okay. Piano de okay. Girl. Girl. Y'all. Oh my gosh. Wow. If trust the process was a hairstyle. Are you seeing this right now? And one of the best things is, guys, this is reusable hair because this is 100% human hair. So you can reuse it after you're done, y'all. Like, it becomes super cost effective at that point because, honey, it's the look that keeps on giving. Super beginner friendly. Like, this is one of the most beginner friendly installs that you could essentially do. I call this hair trust the process. Trust the process, baby, because I think that's what we're gonna do for 2026 anyway. We gonna trust the process for this new year coming. Amen. Amen. If you're new here, welcome to the tribe. Don't forget to hit subscribe. We're gonna get all the details of this hair right now because I am so impressed. I'm not gonna lie to you, I was having a moment where I was like, is this gonna come together? I was getting a little nervous. And it came together. Look how bouncy that is. Look how bouncy that is. Oh my gosh. Where my jaw clip? Can I do a little jaw clip style? Oh my. QVR. Y'all did that. Oh. Let's get all the way into this. So this is the braid pattern that we are going with. I don't know why, like, sprung out. Why? Some straight back set them offs in this joint. So this hair from QVR, and this comes in these packages like this. Okay, and I've got 5 packs. And what's kind of cool is each pack actually comes with a crochet hook attached for your convenience. This is clutch because I feel like I have so many and yet I can never find one when I'm about to crochet. How's that possible? It's like, look, you can't lose. Oh my God. Okay. It's a 1B30 in 20 inches. Oh my, is that my elbow looking? That's crazy. That's not okay. Okay, so. Okay, so if this is your first time seeing one of these videos, then these are the feather crochet strands. As you can see, it's a piece in the middle connecting, and this one is on braid, darling. It feels really soft and nice. So the concept with these is super simple. I almost feel like it's a mixture between having single braids and having a sew-in, but if you don't know how to sew, baby, this is for you. Stick the hook through, close the latch, pull it through. And loop it. Super easy. You don't have to be good at doing hair to do this. I've seen people even do this without braiding down their hair, just like some ponytails. So we didn't talk about this. So when you go to take this down, the easiest thing to do is to just undo your braids and the crochet just literally falls out. Like, it's super easy. So for me with this, I'm gonna be just like, I really need to just tuck her in back here. A little ponytail. It's gonna be hiding away back there. Okay, so this is 1 pack. I feel like I should I detangle it as I go? Or if I should just wait till the end. Whew. We're making great progress. I do not recommend combing it out in between. Because now all this hair is just in the way and I didn't even properly detangle it or anything. So I would recommend just waiting till the end so that the hair is not in your way and then you can comb it out. We're more than halfway. Loop. 2 strands. We're gonna take 1 strand, just pull it through. 1 loop. Both strands through the loop. I find that to be the fastest though. I'm not knotting, maybe because it's so tight too. Okay, y'all. We are in. So we need to cut this. Very different, very full. So I'm going for more of a halo cut this time. Lots of layers. Mm-hmm. Okay. Do you see the vision? Trust the process. So once I comb her out, she's gonna catch some airtime, right? She's gonna whoop, come up. Okay, so I wanna show you guys the difference. It's literally night and day. So now this looks like super natural. Bring it down. Lots of mousse, mousse. Ooh-wee! That's pretty. You would never think, huh? You would have never thought. Trust the process. Okay. Now we're talking. Even the color, like everything about it just completely transforms essentially, right? Like this could be my hair. This says package. So this is why this hair, not combing it out is not an option. Let me finish. How we looking? What a difference. I think I need more light so y'all can really see. Let's dry her because I think she's about to look like she's all mine. And we gotta diffuse. Because this hair has the potential to obviously be very big and voluminous on its own, I'm not gonna do a whole lot of this. Like it's gonna be, you see, I'm just gonna be picking up and drying, picking up and drying, picking up and drying. I probably will do the most of like that type of diffusing around the bottom a bit, but I wanna see how these curls act, and already it looks like they're gonna get big on their own.